Hi everyone, this just came in. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A with S Pen. This is a 8-inch model, 2019 model actually. This is to replace the 2015 model that I currently use. This both comes with 32 GB as well, compared to the previous one. But the difference is it's got 3 GB RAM. Battery is the same, and I get to play back at 4K UHD and as well as a full HD recording, but we don't use this camera for recording most of the time. So let's unbox and see. So the receipt, and what we have inside here is the standard Type-C cable. So I have all my cables now at Type-C now. So, and this is the quick charger as well, and this is a nip remover, okay, for the S Pen. So they have a headphone and the SIM ejector. It seems to be smaller than my current tab, but let's open it up and see. Yep, it looks much smaller. And here is the back has the camera there, and it's a soft touch. It feels like a Nexus 7. This is a 2015 model, this is a 2019 model. You can see that the size difference there, and wow, there's a big difference here in terms of holdability. This is thicker, this is narrower, and thickness is about the same. And the change is the headphone jack is on top, the previous one is at the bottom, and you have the Type-C and the S Pen is on the bottom. Previously the S Pen is on the top right. So the back is looks this way, and center with the connectors for your cover. The new model doesn't have that, and the camera is at the side. And here you can see this is the Nexus 7. So this Nexus 7, the screen is 7-inch and this is 8-inch. It's about the same size, slightly wider, and with the same soft back as the new model. So if you guys remember, this is a great tab, but my charging port died, so I fixed it 3 times, but I just gave up on it, so it won't charge anymore. Okay. Alright, we're done the setup, and then this is how the interface looks like. This is supposed to be, I'm pretty sure it's gonna get One UI. Yeah, it should be the Samsung One UI. Let's have a look at that. So what software are we on? Okay, so we are on the One UI. Okay, Android 9. So we will install some software and then do a quick benchmark to see how fast this tab is. It's quite nice. I like the screen and the size. It's so new that there's no casing yet for it, and as well as a screen protector. Okay, as you can see, the benchmark for the Exynos 7904 is 1003 for single core and 4100 for multi-core. So as compared to the previous tab, which is running a Snapdragon 410, and you can see the differences it's more than double up. So we shall have further comparison. In a few days I will be running this to compare with my previous unit, and I hope I'll be back again with more comprehensive tests. Please do subscribe and like and follow me on my channel. Thank you.